When there's a showdown, only one side emerges victorious. When that showdown is in your facility's restrooms and it's between you and the toughest stains in toilet bowls and urinals, you could use one tough hombre in your corner. Hombre high-acid emulsion bowl cleaner removes the toughest stains caused by organic soils, rust, lime, calcium, and other hard water deposits. Hydrochloric acid, opacifiers, surfactants, and water conditioners combine to produce this maximum strength workhorse. Clean, descale, and deodorize in one step. That's one tough hombre.